guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have with me Yara, whose page is Makeup Monkey, and Rebecca, whose page is Rebecca and Yara. So today we're doing a fun challenge. Actually, we're doing 3 challenges. There's a challenge on each page. There's a video on each of us. So they're gonna be linked down below. Check them out. They're so funny. Anyway, so today's video is going to be about swapping makeup bags. So we all have with us our makeup bags. I love Yara has makeup bag. So we all have our makeup bags. We're going to be swapping stuff, and then on the other hand we have extra makeup which we're going to surprise. I'm gonna surprise them with something they didn't know I have or something they haven't tried before, and they're going to do the same with the others. So if you're interested in seeing what's going to happen, then keep on watching. What's going to happen is I'm giving my bag to Rebecca. Rebecca's gonna give her bag to Yara. Yay. And Yara is giving me her bag. So let's dig in.
Yara asked me about what these are.
I'm so excited.
These are colored lip toppers from Golden Rose. Before that, there was something called lip toppers.
Yeah, I've seen the ones from Jouer.
They are one of the best. You get to try it.
Yeah.
And you both give me compliment on this one, the one that make your teeth white.
Ooh, so I'm excited.
Ooh, I knew this one.
Juicy Beauty.
This one.
Yes.
Okay, this is a glitter palette. And this is a glitter palette that you can use without a glitter primer or anything like that underneath.
I'm definitely
full
gonna use
glitter.
Definitely.
Okay.
I don't know what you have, definitely.
A highlighter palette from Juicy Beauty, the newest one they have.
The one you love.
The one that I love. It's called Dream of Shimmer. Funny story. I thought it is a face toner that you can use to mist your makeup. I used it to mist my makeup. It gave me a glow like nothing before. So I want you both to try it.
Yeah!
I'm so excited.
Later on, I've read it, and it's to mist your face during the day, not your makeup. But anyway.
So my surprises are 1, the Farsali Jelly highlighter, the Huda Beauty melted eyeshadow that I haven't opened yet, that they're gonna use for the first time. It's something Yara has been waiting for a very long time. The Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade.
Yeah.
And the shade. Our makeup. Something you've never seen before and they've never seen before, which is Eden Minerals. They don't know the brand.
Okay,
I
I
think.
saw you use it.
Yes, I've never used this. I've used it once, sorry. It's a powder highlighter that becomes, not highlighter, sorry, powder foundation. Whoa. So you open it.
Like the bare minimum.
Bare Minerals. Yes, Bare Minerals. So it's a very cool foundation. It has covered.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
And last but not least, the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Something from Charlotte Tilbury, which is...
I saw your shoulder.
They're this tiny.
They're this tiny. You don't understand how tiny. Yes, this is her finger for reference.
This is so
and
small.
I have small fingers.
Please look, Tala.
Oh my God.
Look at how tiny!
There are so many things I want to try. I want to decide, but anyway, I want to share with you guys what I want to surprise them with. First one is a highlighter also. It's the Jor highlighter.
I've used
Nude
this.
Air Luminizer highlighter. This literally looks amazing. It gives you a wet look. Okay. And I also have another highlighter that I want to share with you guys, which is the ColourPop Launch Money Super Shot highlighter. Some other products I wanted to share with you guys, which is my favorite bronzer stick, which is from Max Factor. I would have put it in my bag, but I love this product so much that I wanted to surprise them with it, of how good it is. It's really good. It's my favorite. You can also use it as a nude blush, nude warm tone blush. Other 2 products which are my favorite type of eyeshadow, which is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows.
Yes. I'm gonna get to try it.
Yeah. This is Slave to Pink. It's a Super Shock blush. And this is Ripple. It's like a purpley blue. I really love the formula of these, and these are my most unique ones, and I would say my favorite colors. And I got 2 lipsticks, which I think their formula is great. This one is the best nudie peach I have ever found. It's from the drugstore, weirdly enough, and it's the Lasting Finish by Kate. Love it. And this one from Wycombe, this is the Matte Mellow lipstick, and the color reminds me of the 90s. It's
so
such
pretty.
a cool color, and it's very creamy. And the last product I wanted to share with you guys, it's the H&M blush in brown sugar. Have you tried them?
No.
It's really good. You're gonna love it.
Okay.
And yeah, shall we start?
So without further ado, let's start.
Yay!
So this is the first time I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. I've never bought it, never tried it. I'm gonna use
You're
it
gonna
as
love
my
it.
eyeshadow primer.
So what I'm going Okay, so what I'm going to use is something I've always wanted to use, and you know, I don't buy it because NARS is not cruelty free anymore. It's the tinted moisturizer from NARS, obviously. So I hope it doesn't look black on me.
It's gonna be
It's
dark
gonna
on
be
you,
dark.
but it's
You can share it.
compliments to the chef. It's literally the best thing I've ever used. I'm gonna start with my eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Essence eyeshadow primer, which I have never tried. I'm really excited to try it.
This
And-
is the color intensifying one. They have to.
Oh, I'm gonna use the color intensifying one, and then I'm gonna use some colors from the Juicy Beauty palettes that I will share with you later.
Okay.
Yes, Instagrams will be linked down below.
Makeup Monkey.
Makeup Monkey, Rebecca and Yara, forward by G. If you don't
I
know
have
who
a
I
surprise
am,
on my stories sometimes.
yes,
If you watch it all
watch
the
her
time.
stories. She posts a lot, but they're worth it. They're worth it, honestly. So obviously my base is going to be very dark today. And what I'm using is this concealer by Kiko that I never use.
It's the only concealer I'm using, but I'm not loving it, honestly. It's not the best. My favorite is the next one. I'm using the Juicy Beauty palette for my eyeshadow look. Whoa, that's pigmented.
I think I'm the only one doing their base, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I love how glowy it looks. It doesn't look kind of oily, it just looks glowy.
Yep.
It's
That's
NARS
the beauty
here.
of NARS.
Someone buy it for me as a present.
I'm gonna go for Hello Eye. I wasn't gonna, but I'm gonna now.
Okay.
Don't forget to use
Yes, I'm this
getting there. This is the best powder I have ever used in my
Yes.
entire life. It's expensive, but it lasts a lot, and literally it's the best powder.
Should I use the pan stick? I'm gonna use the pan stick because
Do
I'm
it.
still.
By the way,
Right.
just so you know how I use it, I put it on my hand and then I apply it from my hand to my
With a brush? With a brush or a brush? Like with shape shadow. I use usually my complexion. If I use a brush for my complexion, I use this one. You can use it as a blush. Yeah. Ooh, that's not
done with James Charles.
That was fun.
Yes,
Slave for Pink with my finger.
I'm excited.
This is something that I'm gonna buy because of Yara and someone else. Because when they use it, it's okay. I'm sold already. Norvina palette.
Everything is just on top of each other.
It's not that dark on you, by the way.
لاحظتنا؟
It's more dark on me.
Yeah, it doesn't look that.
When-
حتى the concealer is not dark.
When we did a video together, my foundation and my concealer look more dark on me than on Gael. If you haven't seen it, the link will be down below as well.
Yes. So I'm using the H&M blush that Yara provided for us because
Okay, I don't know what glitter I should use. Can you help me?
I love this
Okay.
blush.
The gold is amazing. Okay. My
I'm going
favorite is this one. One of these two. I don't remember which one.
I love how they're done with their eyes. I love how they're done with their eyes, and I'm still, you know, working with my. Oh my god,
You
it
should
smells
use
so
your
good.
beauty blender.
Oh, I have this, I have this.
وين رحت- وين
Wait,
رحت؟
I have this one.
It's because we're being very bougie today. Yara, I'm so impressed.
What highlighter?
The Juicy Beauty.
What?
I told you
I am
so.
so shocked.
I told you so.
She told me the other day how much the highlighter palette was 11,000.
11 tau, yes.
The beauty of Rebecca's page is that everything she uses is either cheap or cheaper or a dupe.
I have high-end.
Yes, she does have
That I don't show.
Yeah, she does have very good makeup, but she doesn't use it because she tries to find something that's quick and easy for everyone to be able to use.
Yes.
And what's cool about Yara's page,
Yara is the opposite.
I'm so impressed with the glitter.
even though Yara is just bathing in glitter at the moment, is that she has all high-end products. And what's pretty about my page is that I have nothing that exists in Lebanon.
that you can buy on her.
You can
Yes.
self promo all the way.
No one has
This is
sold it.
creamy.
What this? Yeah. But you can use it with your finger. Fuck. After the electricity turned off, we're taking a break.
And
Trying
I'm
to order
fixing
food.
foundation.
So, they moved on to face. I'm moving on to eyes.
Yes.
Tart shape tape.
Tart shape tape.
Dear light.
Anastasia
face is so-
Soft Glam. My eyes are set.
I'm gonna get this one, the Eden one that she bought. It smells like.
It doesn't smell good. Eden products. I've mentioned this in my previous video where I used the primer, the gray
the
primer.
gray one.
Yes, they don't smell good because they are made out of I don't know what they're made out of.
Healthier stuff.
Yes, no zinc. They're made for sensitive skin, for the most sensitive skins of skins. It's a Swedish brand. I was invited to their launching event. So everyone who was invited was either a very important makeup artist or someone who's just known.
I wasn't invited.
You weren't invited, except for her. She's the only known makeup artist who wasn't there. So I went there and I was just standing the whole time, pretending I'm filming and doing something that's so important while I was literally just on my phone. The official retailers of Eden Mineral came up to me and she came up to me and started talking to me and introducing me to the brand, and that's when I became a little bit, more comfortable.
Yes.
This is a very long story with no purpose.
And she made you. I remember she did. I don't know if her, but someone did eye look on you. I liked it so
The
much.
purple
The purple
one.
one, and they gave you the palette.
I wish I got it. It was so pretty, the palette. It was not. It's the official makeup artist for Eden. Just for the record, each one is using their own brushes and sponges.
Yes,
We did
and
not
the
swap.
same mascara.
And their own mascara. Yes.
I'm gonna set my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte. I think I used to use it when I was a teen. It's still new.
This is. I had an extra one that was broken.
Okay.
On the market.
Coming back to life with the spray.
Did you see?
Give me the glow.
This huge one. I've been using it for like 2 months.
Only this.
And I use it as a toner as well.
This is a Russian brand.
Yes, from a Russian page.
Rebecca, your lashes were always like this, or they got shorter with time.
I work night shifts, so I have a lot of fallout. The first 2 years. I'm done.
And I'm done.
No.
شو عملت يارا؟ ولا ears.
I'm a little bit clumsy now.
It's okay.
We're gonna take pictures while Yara.
Yes. It's too glittery, but it. How you doing? I feel like my makeup look is very grungy, but in a good way. I like it. Last thing I want to use is the Face of D Auburn mascara, brow mascara. I think it's light for me. Oh, it's very light for me. Do I use it?
Yeah, use it.
Use it anyway.
So guys, these are the final looks. Rebecca used my makeup bag, Yara used Rebecca's makeup bag, I used Yara's makeup bag. Be confused, it's okay, we were. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you were introduced to new types of makeup.
I'm really into this glow, I can't get over it. I'm gonna remove this in a little bit, I need to enjoy it.
So after this challenge, we are filming 2 other videos, one for Rebecca's channel and one for Yara. So be sure to watch them, please, please, please.
Link down below.
They're gonna be linked down below. Their channels are gonna be linked. Please subscribe to both their channels, to
And
my
hers.
channel, obviously, and like the videos if you do. So I hope you also enjoyed all the products. So I hope you enjoyed all the products we used. They were from different price range, they were from different brands, from different qualities. So I hope you got to, be acquainted with different stuff, different types, so you can know what to buy. Let us know down below in the comments what product surprised you the most, what you didn't expect to work, what you expected to work better. you know, anything that was a surprise element. So yeah, basically this is it. Don't forget to subscribe, as I said. Follow us on Instagram. All the pages are going to be linked in the description box. Anyway, have a great day or night wherever you are. We love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.
Bye.